Topic Lesson 3 Exercise Questions. Exercise Lecture 1 Guide a Great Leader. This is the topic. Class 9th, Subject English. Now coming to the book exercise. Choose the correct answer for the following. There are MCQs, there are 4 options, and you have to pick the correct one. As he drove through the great sea of people that stretched from the airport to the city. Full line. In this statement, the metaphor sea of people conveys the idea that. So, first of all, we have to find what is metaphor. Metaphor, sea of people. There is definition of metaphor. Metaphor shows two things as one, or it directly associate one thing with another. As sea of people, as you can see that the author has explained the crowd of the people by using direct association with sea of people. Sea is very huge, so he used the metaphor sea of people. Metaphor means direct association of one thing with another, or you can say that it shows the two things as one, as sea of people. Metaphor means direct association of one thing with other. So now we will choose the correct option. What is the correct option? The people were moving like wave of the sea. There was a very great number of people. The poet has shows a great number of people by using direct association with sea. So B is the correct option. There was a very great number of people. As he drove through the great sea of people that stretched from the airport to the city, it means there was a very great number of people. People were standing in a large area of salty water, wrong. A long number of people gathered near the sea, wrong. So the correct option is B. There was a very great number of people. Statement number 2. As soon as he appeared, the whole crowd roared with one voice, Pakistan Zindabad. Using the comparison clue, the word road in this sentence means. So first of all, we need to find what is the meaning of comparison clue. Comparison clue means the author uses words or phrases that have the similar meaning. So here the word roar is used as a comparison clue. Roar is usually used for the voice of animal, a loud voice of animal. So here the crowd roared with one voice. They shouted with a deep voice, Pakistan Zindabad. So having look on the options, an angry voice, a long deep voice, an irritated voice, an annoyed voice. The correct option is a long deep voice. वो नारा लगा रहे थे. A long deep voice, ऊंची आवाज़. So road employs a loud, long, deep voice. Now coming to the next statement. Through all the excitement of those first days in the life of young nation, in this sentence the phrase young nation represents. Young nation represents newly developed country, undeveloped country, not fully formed country, and advanced country. Pakistan was surely newly developed country, so the word young nation is used for newly developed country. Number 4. Quaid-e-Azam, the man who had made it possible, remained calm, serious and sober after independence because he was thinking of millions of people who had become homeless. He was thinking of ways to run the newly born nation. He was thinking about his own family and friends. He was thinking of ways to accommodate millions of people. The correct option is he was thinking of the million of people who had become homeless. The people were homeless because the two nation has separated. So the correct option is he was thinking of the million of people who had become homeless. Fifth statement is Muhammad Ali Jinnah was at this time tired and far from well. In this statement, the phrase far from well refers to far from well, अच्छाई से दूर होना, सेहत से दूर होना, सेहत से दूर होना. सो इट मीन्स एल और एलिंग, बीमार थे. फार फ्रॉम वेल, सेहत से दूर थे, इट मीन्स वो बीमार थे. Bedridden or disabled, cruel or infirm, injured or hurt. So the correct option is ill or ailing. He was ill. So grammar portion, article. This is exercise in which we have to solve article. Before solving this exercise, we have to look what the articles are. Articles. Articles are the words a, and the. They define whether something is specific or unspecific. ये बताते हैं कोई चीज़ ख़ास है या वो आम है. There are two types of articles. There are two types of articles. The definite article. It is considered as the. The is called the definite article. It defines its noun as something specific. For example, something previously mentioned, जिसका पहले से जिक्र किया गया हो, और known, या वो पहले से उसके बारे में मालूम हो. Something unique, कोई ऐसी चीज़ जो कि अनोखी हो. Something big identified, किसी चीज़ को पहले से जाना पहचाना हो. बाय द स्पीकर, बोलने वाले को वो पहले से वो चीज़ उसकी पहचान में हो. सो there are two types of article. First one is definite article, which is the. The is considered as definite article, and it is used for specific things, For example, this is the lake. This is a previously specified lake. पहले से पहचानी गई लेक है. One already known to the reader. पढ़ने वाले को पहले से इस लेक के बारे में पता है, इसलिए ये ख़ास लेक है, इसलिए वी हैव यूज्ड द लेक. सेकेंड, द indefinite article. The indefinite articles are a, an. A and an are called the indefinite articles. They define their noun as something unspecific. As a common thing. For example, something generic, कोई आम सी चीज़ हो, किसी चीज़ से वो ताल्लुक़ रखती हो. Something mentioned for the first time, या किसी चीज़ का पहली दफ़ा जिक्र किया जा रहा हो. This is a lake. कोई आम सी लेक के बारे में बात की जा रही है जिसका पहली दफ़ा जिक्र किया जा रहा है. अगर इस लेक का पहले ज़िक्र किया जाता, जो कि किसी ख़ास लेक का ज़िक्र किया जाता, तो उसके लिए द इस्तेमाल होता. This is previously unspecified lake. ये कोई पहले से इसके बारे में नहीं जाना गया. This is a common lake. So we have learned in this slide that there are two types of articles. First one is definite article, which is referred as the. Definite article defines its nouns as something specific. And indefinite article, a and an, it is called indefinite articles, and it defines its noun with something unspecific. So we use a with consonants and an with vowels. We use a with consonants and an with vowels. Now coming back to our exercise. Filling the article a, an or the where necessary. जहाँ ज़रूरत हो, तीनों आर्टिकल्स में से कोई एक चीज़ पुट करें. Insert X where no article is used. First one is I like dash blue t-shirt over there better than dash red one. I like a blue t-shirt over there better than the red one. The red one is specific one. The red one which is known to the reader, which is known to the speaker. So it is specific and it is unspecific. Their car does 150 miles dash R. R is a vowel, so we have to put an. Where's dash USB drive I lent you last week? So the USB drive is specific one, so we use the. Where's the USB drive I lent you last week? Do you still live in dash Bannu? Do you still live in? So we do not use an article over here. Do you still live in Bannu? So there will no article will be used. Do you still live in Bannu? No article will be used. You have to put cross over here. Is your mother working in dash old office building? Old is starting with vowel, so we use an over here. This was your exercise about article. Now coming to activity work. Revise and practice of articles. Thank you.